5 things that are DIY you should tell your insurance agent about. First thing is if you are updating your kitchen, tell your agent. Why? You're increasing the value of your home by updating your kitchen, and your home value needs to be updated on your insurance policy. Number 2 is maybe a bathroom renovation. Same idea as kitchen for number 1, but you should also be using a licensed contractor. If you're doing the work yourself or asking a friend to help, you might also need some builder's risk insurance. Other things you need to tell your insurance agent about is if you're doing an addition or an add-on. This is going to increase the square footage of your house and again, increase the value. What if you're doing a home office? Great, turn that bedroom into a home office. If you have more than $2,500 worth of equipment in that home office space now, it might be a good idea to add a little bit more coverage on or get a business policy as that business is now being run out of your home. Something else you can think about is finished basements. Again, add value with that square footage. Or if for any reason you're doing a very large home remodel and you completely leave the building, there is coverage for vacant buildings, which is different than your homeowner's insurance. If you're doing any of these DIY projects, remember to call your insurance agent. Please call Bancorp Insurance at 541-536-1726, or you can visit us online at www.bancorpinsurance.com and make an appointment with an agent today.